Hello traders, welcome. This is Silverbacked, and I wanted to put a video out here to just show you what's going on. I've got a Jupiter USD long on that's sort of like creeping up. If you look at the markets today, a lot of stuff is waking up. I just did a post actually, just sort of explaining. I mean, look at this, like some of the AI stuff. Blur is, as you can see on the screen, is like that's an hourly chart. Yeah, hourly chart. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours worth of uptrend. Render, same thing. Melania, same thing. Sonic, look at that. Everything's pumping. So AI, I can never pronounce this, but AI16Z. Virtual, you know, you've got, it's respecting this trend line here. That's a bit, so we're getting a few. It's basically a bounce at the bottom as far as what I can see from a lot of the charts. If I look at, let's just pick something that I've been trading a bit. Where's ACH? There you go. ACH. Zoom right out. Look, go to a daily, and then if you take a look, let's clean this up a bit. If you just take a look at where we are, I mean, you can see I've got this grey line here. I mean, essentially we sort of found this was a resistance. We got up, went down, tested the resistance, but smashed through it. Support. So there's a lot of support around this sort of time. Also, my head and shoulders theory failed. That I was trying to sort of push through here on ACH. Let's put the actual normal patterns on. We'll go to 1 hour. I think it was in the 1 hour. Yeah. Right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. There's the neckline, and we're basically at the neckline consolidating. You can see where I say we're consolidating, we're actually consolidating with higher lows and higher lows, and then, you know, the whole of the market is waking up. So what does that tell you? I think you know, we're sort of finding our bottoms. Unless we go down further, I'm happy to go short on some stuff, but yeah, anyway. So, but pick your coin, no matter what you want to do. If you want to know what the latest signals that have gone off on the hourly, we've got ACT. ACT has, let me just check on with the indicators. On the 1 hour for these indicators on Smooth Heikin-Ashi Hodl Flip Strategy V2, I got it set at 5 and 5 on the EMA. We just got a enter a short, and that actually got ended up with a big candle. But that's actually now behind us. We've had a bit of a bounce. It's probably retraced. Retraced about 50% is about here. It's basically retraced to 50. It looks like it's going to continue down, so that could be a current short. Just obviously set a stop. LDO is as a current long. I like that one because it's come down and it's pretty low, and it's just about to break through the top channel on the 20 moving average, on the high moving average. That looks promising, but it's actually possibly getting rejected here. Just, I would set a tight stop, just so you doesn't drain you on that trade. Melania is looking good. Yeah, apart from this doji looking thing, most of the market, if you're looking at, if you just go, oh, is this going to work out? I just go straight to the market and just go straight to the top ones. Look at BTC, ETH, and then basically say, like, Bitcoin's like even money at the moment. So, you know, it's really just, a word I use is flailing. It's flailing around this sort of area, and it's just frustrating the shit out of people because it just won't. It's just like staying in it. So if I just drag this across, I mean, we can sort of expect you know, to meet some resistance until we break out of this zone, if you like. So as I say, we're not falling below it. But are we going to go above it? You can trade within it, of course. You know, just watch. So just look at your look at your settings here, and basically like the middle line, just make that more distinct. And then basically you got your halfway mark inside within this range. You can basically sort of like trade this if it might bounce there, or it might continue through. As it continues through, you can get a short on down to the bottom until this whole range decides to break out to the upside or downside. I think this is very, very strong. I mean, but then that was strong as well. So you know, and that got rejected, and we got sent back down. I think Ethereum is one of the assets where there's, I mean, at the moment you can see the markets, the US market closed quite some hours ago. Well, I'll tell you. Yeah, 24 hours ago. So it is a weekend for the institutional traders. So you know, a lot of the people going into the market on the weekend are just bored. So the market, they'll get just stuck in positions and place things out of boredom. But we are starting to see the market wake up from the leverage markets that are actually you know, decentralized sort of markets, like derivatives, especially like Bybit, Apex, and Pinex, and all these different Bitchinex, Blowfin. A lot of the traders on the weekend are actually on there, sort of driving some activity, whether it outpaces the dollar value of the CME and all the stuff that happens during the week. These are the different times you want to sort of like, you know, during the week is where you get the most amount of activity, as you can see. And when you have those big structural changes where you get sort of breaking out, as I say, breaking out of these areas where you are sort of boxed in, you know, you really are boxed in until it breaks out to the upside or downside. Really, you're not going anywhere. So you've got to trade within it. Very, very small time frames, which is a lot more work, or you have to just wait till you get a breakout. So I mean, you do one of these boxes, and basically you can go into settings, and you can probably, there'll be some way of putting an alarm on it, or you can basically just get this level here and just add an alert. There you go. Boom. Or if it breaks down, add an alert, and then basically that's ETH. And then, you know, now don't go crazy, mark it up too many charts, but I can now basically just go live my life, and when I get an alert, I go, we're breaking out of this structure. So if you don't want to trade this ranging stuff, which is annoying, yeah, just set your alarms and just walk away. That's probably a good way to look at it. And then just worry about your portfolio, just a general long-term portfolio, and then take a break from trading. Go take a walk, enjoy the weather.